Hi everybody. Today let's learn how to make this very moist and super delicious banana bread. So first let's see the ingredients for this recipe and then we'll get started. So first things first, if you have almond flour, you can use 1 cup of almond flour and 1 cup of all-purpose flour. But if you do not have almond flour, then please go ahead and use 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I've also taken some melted butter. Try to take ripe bananas because they are more sweeter, and mash them, and then leave a few chunks in between because it makes it much more tastier. Add the eggs and butter and mix it well. Now add some vanilla essence and mix well. Now add the all-purpose flour, the almond flour, and if you think the sweetness is not enough from the bananas, then please add in some sugar and mix well. Make sure there are no lumps of flour left in the batter. While we prepare this, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease the cake sheet with butter generously. Transfer the batter into the greased cake sheet. I've used walnuts to top the cake. You could use any nuts of your choice. That's totally optional. The nuts will add a little crunch to the cake. After putting the walnuts, just give it a little tap so that the walnuts settle down in the batter and they don't get burnt on the top when we bake the cake. Now it's ready to go in the oven for 60 minutes. Once done, let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes and then it's ready to be served hot. Cut them to slices and enjoy. Now you can either serve this for breakfast or have it as a snack in the evening. It's just so soft and moist with all the goodness of bananas. You definitely do not want to miss this recipe. So please give it a try and let me know your feedback. Also, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.